Miniwood furniture is an ideal choice for those looking to maximize space in small living areas. Compact designs, such as side tables, stools, and shelving units, provide essential functionality without overwhelming the room. These pieces can easily fit into tight corners or serve as multifunctional items, making them perfect for apartments, studios, or children's rooms where every square foot matters. Beyond their practicality, Miniwood furniture adds a touch of style and warmth to any space. Available in various designs, from modern and minimalist to rustic and traditional, these pieces can complement a wide range of decor styles. Their natural wood finishes not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also bring an organic element that creates a cozy atmosphere, making your home feel inviting and well-curated. When choosing Miniwood furniture, it's essential to consider the quality of materials and craftsmanship. Well-constructed pieces can withstand daily use while maintaining their charm over time. Look for solid wood options that offer durability and a timeless look. By investing in quality mini furniture, you not only enhance the functionality of your space, but also ensure that your decor remains stylish and resilient for years to come.